Welcome dolls to my channel Dark Skin Next Door. I'm giving you a little demo on this hair and a small review. But this hair is from Tinashe's Hair company. And I will link everything down below. It is a 24-inch. It is a deep wave hair. This is a deep wave hair. The parting is a 6x6, so it's pretty deep. And it's wide. It goes right here. So it's not a full frontal, it just stops right here and goes around to the back. This hair is very soft. When I got it, it kind of smelled like it'd been washed in a good way. So it didn't smell like wet anything, it just smelled really good. It felt like it'd been washed and detangled before I got the wig. So I thought that was really nice of the company if they did so. And please enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video. Fresh from the pack, this is what came inside. It came with instructions and their Instagram and Facebook. And they did send me a wig cap and a small mirror, which I love so much. This is the wig right here, and it smelled amazing when I took it out the pack. And I'm just putting the wig on just to measure it and see how it fits to my head. This is a 6x6 wig. I did decide to keep it as a middle part, and I did do a deep middle part. off a few products that I used in this video, so you can purchase it or maybe not use it, but if you want to, I really suggest it. So for the lace, just to tint it, I did use this lace tint by Eben. You can see it there. I used it in a medium brown because I don't like my lace to be too dark. They do have darker ones, they do have lighter ones, but this is a perfect shade for my complexion. And then I did use the Gatsby glue in this video to seal the lace a little bit more. I usually don't use Gatsby glue, but I don't want to keep this hair on more than a day or two, so I'm fine. Then for the edges, when I did the baby hairs, I did use the Echo Gel. This one is olive oil, shea butter, and black castor oil, so it smells really good and it's an extreme strong coat. And then just for the top to fix it up a little bit and kill the flyaways, I did go in with the Lotta Body Mousse. Hope you enjoyed the video, dolls. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below to Dark Skin Next Door.